Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with QuickBooks at 2026. So actually guys, as first we'll need to prepare an account. So you'll need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and a QuickBooks online account. If not, you will need to go with the QuickBooks.com .inishwaits.com website, and after that you will need to scroll down a little bit and click on get started, and that's to create an account on QuickBooks. So you'll need to enter your email right here and then your website URL and follow the prompt. So they will ask you to enter your phone number, your company name, your salary, etc. And also you will need to note that the QuickBooks desktop requires the third-party app like WebGLT One or One SaaS for Shopify integration. For simplicity, we will focus on the QuickBooks Online. So actually guys, you will need, after creating an account, to go back to your Shopify, click on the settings option that's located on the left hand menu. It's the last option, and then just go with apps option. Alright, so right now I just want you to go and click on Shopify App Store option. It's located right here, and after that select the search bar and look for QuickBooks Online. So as I told you, you will need to get the WebGLT or WebGLT first, and then you will be allowed to install the QuickBooks inside it, and it will be right here on the installed apps. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.